Hi, it's Ryan Charles. It's Tuesday, March 8th, 2011. Welcome to the Loan Giants Daily. Well, part of my job as a mortgage lender is to know what the interest rates are going to do. I always make a joke when I'm talking to my clients is if I knew that, then I would be doing something a little different. My job description would be different and there'd be a few more zeros after my income. Well, the fact is I actually do follow interest rates very closely, and it's impossible to know exactly what they're going to do. But what you can do is look at many different indicators out there and have an idea of what they're going to do long term just by reading news and listening to what economists are saying. And then watch what they're doing on a weekly basis to try to fine tune it. So that way, when you do go to lock an interest rate in, you're taking advantage of the best price. At least something I do a little bit different than a lot of other mortgage professionals that I know is I subscribe to a rate service. So they actually track interest rates and they follow them and give you, one, what real market time rates are doing, and two, their opinion on what rates are going to do. When I say their opinion, the guy who I get indication from, his name is David Schurmeyer. He's been an economist for years and years. So I actually pay him on a daily basis to tell me what interest rates are going to do. The site is www.ratealert.com. I'm going to show it to you here in a minute. But if you want to pull up in your browser, you can see what it's all about. One of the coolest things about this site is that it's real time. So it's delivering real time data to you. And me, as a mortgage lender, this helps quite a bit. And the reason is, when lenders go to reprice, let's say I have a loan ready to lock, purchase or refinance, we're ready to go. When lenders go to reprice due to market conditions, whether it be good or bad, it takes them time to generate these new rate sheets and get them out to the people that do what I do, the loan originators. Well, in that time period, you actually are getting alerted from this company. So if you have everything lined up and things are turning for the negative, you have a certain window, whether it be 20 minutes to an hour, to go ahead in and lock that interest rate and save a potential eighth in rate. An eighth doesn't sound like a lot, but when you amortize it over 30 years, it can be thousands of dollars. Alright, so here's the site. I know it doesn't show up well on the computer screen, but here's what I want to show you is the chart. And this is interactive, it's real time during the day. This thing goes up and down and it refreshes every minute or so. So you can see today we finished up 3, which is hardly anything. At the same time, this is where it is. And on days that is very volatile, it'll be flatlined for the negative or the positive. Another cool thing is you go down here, and I know you can't read the small print, but it gives lock advice. It tells you why things are happening, and it tells you what it suggests. It's pretty conservative, and you may be able to see this. It gives you 4 different windows here, and it's 5 to 7 days, 7 to 15, 15 to 30, and 30 plus. Now, if you've watched my dailies before, you know that rate locks are in increments of 15-day periods. Typically, we lock on a 30-day lock, but if you want to go out further than that, you can, because it costs more long term. If you're trying to protect yourself against the market rates, you pay a premium for that. So the site's actually much more robust than just this little tracker up here that we looked at. As you can see here on this tab, you got the Japanese candlesticks, and this shows you trends on what's been happening. On this site, you can change the time period, whether you want to look at a 3-month, a 6-month, or even a 10-day. Let's look at a 10-day versus, say, a 1 year. See the difference on what's going on. Well, I hope you like taking a view into some of the technology we use to make sure that we're doing best for our clients. I've been using this for about 2 years. It's the best money I spend because I feel like I can sleep at night knowing that I'm making the right decisions for my clients. A little something that we do differently than some of the other loan officers out there. Check us out. This is what you get when you work with Ryan Charles, ALCOVA Mortgage. Thanks for watching Loan Giants Daily. If you're interested in what we have to say on a daily basis and you're on my homepage, subscribe over in the box to the right and forward it on Facebook. Come and see you tomorrow with another story. Have a great day. Bye.